Hello everyone, my name is Tony Priata and I am excited to present my project on developing forecasting information system for motorcycle sales in Indonesia using artificial intelligence. First, I want to express my sincere gratitude toward my professor for their invaluable guidance and support to the project. As we all know, accurate forecasting is crucial for business to make informed decisions and stay be competitive. With this system, we can predict sales trend more effectively and make data-driven decisions, and I have worked hard to develop this system, and I'm thrilled to share my finding with you all today. So let's dive into the presentation. And to begin our presentation, we will delve into the background of Indonesian motorcycle industry, followed by the purpose and scope of our project. Next, we will present the business plan summaries and give an overview of the system design. Furthermore, we will touch upon the design constraint and future contingencies we have considered for this project. Moving on, we will discuss the system requirement including systematic candidate, benefit and feasibility and timetable. We will also examine the projected cost and architecture forecasting system. Lastly, we will explore the use case and conclude our presentation with the key takeaway. Okay, to provide a context for our forecasting information system, it is important to understand the background of the project. The motorcycle industry is essential sector of Indonesian economy with a significant contribution to employment, export, and GDP. Additionally, the industry faces several challenges, including increasing competition and the need to adapt to changing consumer preference and market condition. To address this challenge, we have developed a forecasting information system that utilize artificial intelligence technique. Now, let's look at the slide which shows a graph of motorcycle sales in Indonesia from 1996 until 2024. Sales have generally increased with a slight dip in 2020. Okay, in the next slide, we also saw the motorcycle sales export from 1996 until 2024. The graph highlight in this always increase with a slight dip in 2020 similar in the previous. Okay, and next we have a slide showing 2024 distribution of motorcycle sales in Indonesia by category. Under Born, Scooter and Sport, the scooter has lead with 90% of total sales. This insight highlights top performing categories and areas for potential sales improvement. Okay, moving on, let's examine the current forecasting system used by motorcycle sales manufacturing in Indonesia. Forecasting is primarily done manually, making it time consuming and error prone, with traditional method often lacking accuracy due to the industry complexity. To address this, we propose a data-driven AI forecasting system that integrate various data sources and use multiple forecasting techniques, providing a range list of top methods. It will be web-based, customizable, and user-friendly, considering factors like economic indicator and consumer trend. The system aims to enhance decision making and improve the profitability and also reduce risk for both manufacturing and consumer. Okay, in this slide, in the central icon represent the database storage surrounding by four key project feature: a web-based system for browser access, various forecast method for predicting motorcycle sales, commercial understanding for deep research on the sales contact, and down result for easy data access. These elements are linked to our main database. Okay, and our project is aimed to create a forecasting system for sales in Indonesia, benefit to the business owner, analyst, and also researcher. It includes a web-based interface for data scraping and upload with a method like Sarimak, Varimak, LSTM, and the other method to identify the top forecasting technique. Okay, our business plan summaries focus on the development of web-based forecasting system for motor sales in Indonesia, which will utilize various data source forecasting method to create accurate forecast prediction. Additionally, we will provide consulting service for business looking to integrate our system into their operation. Okay, in this slide, we will present the recommendation for our motorcycle sales forecasting in Indonesia. The project is a user-friendly system that delivers accurate, reliable forecasts to help business manage budget and make informed decisions. Okay, firstly, we need to scrape data from the website, allow users to upload data in trace format, compare arraying format forecasting method, provide accurate and reliable forecast, enable data or downloads, and expand other countries or industries. Okay, these findings support enhanced forecasting for motorcycle manufacturing and dealer with potential application across the region and industries. Our goal is comprehensive, accessible system to support business in making data-driven decision and improve financial performance. Okay, despite the growth of Indonesia, motorcycle sales in Indonesia, the lack of reliable sales forecasting poses challenges for production, inventory, and also budgeting decision. Current method fall short in addressing the unique complexities of industry. Our proposed solution is a forecasting system that gather data from multiple sources, including IC, and allow users to upload data from Excel files. It employ several forecasting methods such as Sarimak, Parimak, and the other method, showcasing the top performing one by accuracy and MSE or mean square error. Result can be downloaded and also forecast metric will be displayed on the Excel format. This system enable businesses to make data-driven decisions, boosting financial performance and supporting industry growth. Okay, great. Now let's move on to the next slide. We where we will discuss the system design and overview of our project. As we have previously mentioned, our goal is to create an innovative and also user-friendly forecasting system that can accurately predict motorcycle sales in Indonesia. So let's dive into next. Okay, moving on. Let's look at the design overview of our AI-based motorcycle sales of Indonesia. Key feature including web-based access, multiple data source, data storage, data upload option, various forecast method, performance comparison, downloadable research, and forecast parameter display. As detailed is in our scraping tool and advanced AI model like Sarimak and the other methods. Uh, User can compare model performance by metric like mean square error and accuracy and the other parameter for further analysis. This system aim to provide a reliable and also user-friendly platform for business. And lastly, manager can forecast sales and make data-driven decision. Okay, this slide covers the key design constraint for developing a motorcycle sales in Indonesia. First, data availability is crucial for the system accuracy. If data is incomplete or unreliable, the system effectiveness will be compromised. So reliable data source are essential. Okay, let's the second technical constraint like computing power and software capabilities need to be considered. This factor can limit the forecast result available, so the system will meet the technical requirement for the choose method. Okay, finally, time constraint are important. The system must provide timely and accurate forecasts, as delays could reduce the system effectiveness. Okay, by addressing all of these constraints, will ensure the system is reliable, effective, and meet user need. Okay, therefore, will when developing a forecasting system, it is important to consider budget, user, and also the regulatory constraint. Budget is limit, the technologies and resources that can be used. User constraint ensure the system is easy to use, addressing potential issues like complexity or lack of technical skill. And also, lastly, regulatory constraint require a compliance with data privacy laws and industry standard, which may impact functionality and require extra research. This factor must be balanced to create an effective and also efficient system that meets user needs. Okay, to ensure the future success of our forecasting system, we need to plan the potential challenge and risk. Focus should be on scalability, flexibility, and future proofing. To adapt to market and consumer changes, we must also ensure ongoing maintenance, support, and regular update to keep forecasts accurate and relevant. Database management is also essential for data integrity, accessibility, and security. And also, continuous monitoring is the key to maintaining forecast accuracy and addressing issues promptly. Staying updated on technology and advancement is crucial also to staying competitive. By planning this all picture, we can build a sustainable system that involve with the business need, ensuring long-term and also effectiveness and informed decision making. Okay, the coming slide will describe the functional and also non-functional system of the system. Okay, furthermore, it is important to note that there's the functional requirement essential the success of our presentation information system. First, data collection. The system must automatically collect data from source like IC and also the other relevant website. Okay, second, data upload, and then this is user can be able to manual upload and also uh, uh, from various data such as Excel and CSV and other like data storage. Okay, and then third is this data storage. All data should be stored in database for future use. And for forecasting, we'll be using the Sarima, Parimak, and another uh, forecasting method. And then the fourth is will be performance comparison. This is will be compare forecasting previously like Sarima, Parimak, and the other thing to the using parameter like mean square error and other parameter. Okay, six. This will be forecasting a result export. This will be so the result can be download. That will including parameter like MAPI and mean square error and the other parameter. Okay. Additionally, we the following of the requirement. Firstly, scalability will depict the system or will be able to handle large amount of data. And second is reliability, which state to the system should be highly reliable and accurate in its forecasting. And third is security. This which state will the system should be secure and user access and data protection measure in place. And finally, usability, which state the user friendly and easy to use even for technical non-technical user. Okay, now we will discuss the system candidate metric tool to evaluate and compare different software solution for particular business problem. Okay, in this slide, the attribute and the characteristics of our forecasting system are discussed in computerized, designed to process, store, and analyze large data, and it is tailored for sales prediction, decision making, and also production, and also marketing to boost business profitability. It is efficiently to store and process data using tools like Python and MySQL. It is advanced forecasting methods such as Sarimap and the other new methods. And it is integrate data from real source for the reliable research. It also has user-friendly user interface, and it will be more cost effective. That will reasonable to get efficient forecasting tool. Okay, and the forecasting information system is designed for prediction, and this is IBM SPSS. On the other hand, is that statistical software for advanced analysis, data mining, and also decision making. It including SPSS statistic, modeler, and analytics server for data analysis and support various output format. While both are computerized and handle data, but our system focus on sales prediction and marketing. While IBS SPS is advanced statistical analysis, that is only for the technical user. Okay, then SAS is also similar with the SPSS, is a software for advanced analytic business intelligence, and predictive uh, analytic capability to handle like database. It stand for system like purchasing information system. Okay, and IBM and SAS are advanced statistics software, while Statista is a web-based platform focused on market research and statistics. Statista is offer easy to use interface with a report, chart, and other visualization, and it doesn't require a server, making it more accessible. It search data from various places and support multiple output format. Okay, in this slide, we will cover the problem versus goals concern of our system. The system performance first, the opportunity is optimization, and but the problem is slow processing speed. Our goal is to meet performance target, but we are limited by hardware research. The second is data acquisition. The opportunity is collecting data from multiple sources, but the problem is incomplete data, and our goal is to ensure accurate data, but access to some search data is limited. Okay, the third is data quality. The opportunity is improving data through the cleaning and also normalization, but the problem is poor data quality. Our goal is reliable analysis, but we are constrained by limited research for cleaning and normalization. Of course, we aim to improve forecast accuracy using advanced methods, but we are limited by inaccurate forecast and insufficient data. Okay, five is user experience. Our goal is to make the system more user friendly, right? And but we have concern by limiting research for user testing and feedback. That's where really hard to get feedback from other people because this is like have limited timetable. Okay, next the system security. We aim to be strength security, regular assessment and update, but we are facing system vulnerabilities or limited resource for security assessment. Okay, next in this slide we'll also discussing the benefit and feasibility of the proposed system. Okay, the proposed our system is first improve accuracy, AI enhanced forecast precision, enabling better inventory, marketing, and production decision, helping business stay more competitive. The second is time saving. The system automate the data and will be more efficiently. And the third is cost saving. That will more accurate forecast, reduce overproduction, underproduction, and waste. And also helping business to save money and use resource effectively. And this is scalability. The system can handle large data of volume and also make it more suitable for business growth without outgrowing its capabilities. And five, competitive advantage by leverage this AI for accurate forecasting. Business can make informed decision and staying ahead of competitor and ensuring long-term success. Also, in terms of visibility, the project is considered to be visible based on the following factor. The first is technical visibility, and second is economic, and the third is operational visibility, and lastly legal visibility. Okay, the purpose of AI-based forecasting system also offer the several key benefits. First, improve forecast accuracy and also reliability, and second is efficiency and also processing speed, and third is using friendly interface, and four is cost effective, and also lastly better decision making. Okay, likewise this image show the timetable which will uh, explain how when will the system be developed it. Okay, now we'll be discuss the projected development cost and operational cost for our proposed system. Okay, next we will talk about the projected cost of our system and also the operational system operational cost of our system. As you can see, the total is will be 20 uh, 250 hundred to 40,000 dollar, and operational cost will be 43,000 until 122,000 dollar per year. Okay, now we'll also discuss the architecture of the motorcycle forecasting system. The system will be designed to provide accurate system for motorcycles. Okay, this slide show the architecture of our motorcycle cells. We have power layer. The first is product layer. You can see sales ranking, inflation, and trend and interest that is categorized into product layer. And the second is forecasting method. We'll use Sarimac as previously we have been talking, and then user interface will web-based system, and lastly we will have data infrastructure of our data. Okay, within this slide, the image illustrate the architectural of our motorcycle sales forecasting system, from the first data collection until the deployment, as you can see in this slide. Okay, in the coming slide we'll also discuss the use case of our system. Okay, the proposed motorcycle forecasting system serves several purposes. First, it upload motorcycle sales data from Indonesian in various format, and second, also it generate forecast using method like Sarimac and the other, until that is like for managing the system and administrator to manage source data, manage user, and also view the log system. Okay, when designing a data upload system, there are a few key points to ensure security and reliability. First, ensure clear error message if the file format is incompatible to the system, so user understand the issue, how to fix that file. And second, implement the strong security, and also the include a progress bar or status indicator for a large file upload, so user know how long they will take the process will take. Finally, have a backup system to prevent data loss in case of failure. This step will make the upload process secure, reliable, and user friendly. Okay, and here is the generate forecast use case. From the pre-condition has access to the system, required data has been uploaded. You need to upload in the previous, right? And then we need to see the what again, it's like after that is valid, then system will automatically generate a forecast for the user. And then this is a use case for visualize the forecast. The user can easily to view and also to analyze the forecast for the future analysis. Okay, then user also can be export the forecast that can be easily to modify on the other format, such as in Excel, CSV, and another format. And also in here we can see the user roles. This is the from the administration. We will manage roles of all the user in this website, and this is also we have the set alert of the use case. And also user can also manage the data source, that is from upload and from the website, scraping from IC, and another search. And okay, and then also user can also view the logs of the system, then will be easily if there has a failure in the system. Okay, this is to the end of this session. Will bring to the conclusion. Okay, in conclusion, creating an AI power system that will be bring major benefit for business. It will help with inventory management, marketing, and also production planning, researching and cost saving, more accurate forecasting, and also a competitive edge. The project is feasible and can be complete within a reasonable time. It will need a skilled team and a structured approach, including research, data processing, modeling development, and system testing. Overall, this project offers a great opportunity for business to enhance their forecasting and also improve outcome. Okay, as we are conclude our presentation, we'd like to express our sincere gratitude to everyone who made this possible. I would like to thanks to my mentor, college, and all those who contributed to the success of this project. Thank you for your attention and support. Bye bye.